Yes, guys, you are welcome. All right, guys. So today I want to teach you how to run Facebook ads for affiliate marketing, right? So if you're an affiliate marketer, one of the most important things is that you want to be able to generate people every single time that are interested in your offers. You're looking for ways, different ways to get your word out in front of people. So quickly, I am going to be showing you the simplest way to get people that are interested in your affiliate program. Now, there are two ways I'm going to teach you right here now, and any of the two is going to give you good results. But the first way is for you if you don't have a landing page, right? So one of the amazing things you can use as an affiliate marketer is if you have a landing page, it helps you very, very much because you can just get people and you're going to use the conversion ad strategy and you're going to take them to a landing page where you have written something very, very amazing for them to take action on, right? So there are two ways you can do this. It's either that you have a landing page or you don't have a landing page. So now, if you don't have a landing page, you would be driving traffic to maybe your WhatsApp, or you're going to be driving traffic to maybe your Telegram. Now, this is the thing. The simple structure of every affiliate program is that you are selling people an opportunity, or you're selling people a particular product or service, right? And most times what you are selling to people, it is not your own product or it is not your own service. So what you want to do is, especially in Nigeria, people would want to be educated before they take up any action. So you want to, first of all, before you even come to Facebook and say you want to start running ads, you want to prepare something of a form of presentation. It could be a video that shows them what the opportunity is all about, that explains to them. A confused mind would never buy. So people will have to be 100% convinced and understand the opportunity you're trying to sell to them before they can make any purchase, right? How do you get people to come up to sign up for your affiliate program? Now, there are two ways you can do this. So the first way is to direct them to your WhatsApp. The second way is to direct them to a landing page. Now, any of the two will still give you good results, but I prefer directing them uh, to a landing page. So let me show you how both of the pages look like. No, but let me show you how both of the ads look like before we even go and set it up, right? So the first one looks like something like this, right? So you're going to create an ad. When the ad is running, the ad is going to look like this, like what you can see on your screen. Now, down the ad, if people click on, if they click on, you will see they will see a button where they can send you a message on WhatsApp, right? Now, before you run this kind of ad, this is a wrong approach. What you can see on my screen now is a wrong approach, because what he's telling them is telling them register on Lenify at 4,500 to take part of this wonderful opportunity. That is not a ad. You cannot just do an ad telling people to register for 4,500. What do they get from the ad? What are you trying to, what's the catch, right? So you don't just run ads and tell people to take advantage of an opportunity, right? So what you should do instead is to run this kind of ad. Now look at this kind of ad. So in this ad, it's telling them, are you feeling frustrated and lost? Yes, it's talking about the opportunity. And at the end, there is a free online training. A free online training. Now, what is this free online training? This free online training is just a video that is talking about the opportunity. It might be recorded by you or recorded by one of the gurus in that your affiliate program, right? So this video is what you are going to give them access to as a free training. But before you give them access to this free training, they must have sent you a message on WhatsApp. You would have saved their contact. They would have saved your contact. Then you would now give them access to that video, right? The video could be something like this one. So take, for example, this is just an example. So I'm saying switch to tech and get remote jobs. These are the best skills to learn. So in this video, what I did was I was trying to explain to people the different skills you can learn before you switch to tech. So if my affiliate program was about tech, was about getting people to be interested, people that are interested in switching to tech, this video would do just fine, right? So after I've collected their contact details, after they have saved my contact, I've saved their contact, then I will lead them to a page like this, right? I'll direct them to a page like this where they can watch the video. So most times the video should be something of very, very short, not so long. If it can be as long, it can be as long as 1 hour, and it can be as short as 20-30 minutes, right? But the most important thing is that you should be able to communicate what the opportunity is all about and what they stand to gain. Now, it is at the end of this video you would now initiate a sale, right? It is at the end of this video you will initiate a sale. You will talk about nothing about money, or you will talk about nothing about registration in your ad, right? It is inside this video, after you have explained the opportunity to them. At the end of the video, you now talk about how much it costs to take advantage of the opportunity, right? So if you want to learn more about how to draft a video like this, a training video that sells your opportunity, you do well to sign up for my course. I have a Facebook course where I'm teaching you everything about Facebook ads. I teach everything about Facebook ads. I teach everything step by step, how to convert the people from ads to customer, how to build your landing pages, how to communicate your offers, how to build a webinar that you can use to sell, both recorded and live webinar. I'm going to teach you everything about that in this course. And this course just costs only 2,000 naira, right? If you're watching this video now and you want to take advantage of the course, all you have to do is go to the description of this video. That full course is available, and I am showing you everything step by step. For only 2,000 naira, you're going to be live in that my Facebook course, where I show you everything about online businesses as related to Facebook ads. All right, so let's go. So you're going to send them to this place where they will take a look at the opportunity, they'll learn more about the opportunity, and then they can take action as they like. Now, this is the first way. So you take them to WhatsApp. From WhatsApp, there is a page where either you or one of your gurus have already recorded the video. You send them to go and watch the video. You can send them a direct YouTube link too. That also works. Then after that, you follow them up and ask them, Alpha, have you watched the video? Did you like it? What did you learn? Are you ready to get started with the opportunity and all stuff like that? Now, that's what you can do. Then, on the flip side, if you are sending them to a landing page, your ad will look like this. So if you have, let me show you another ad. So your ad might look like something like this. So this can be a video, or it can be a video, or it can be a graphics, right? A simple graphics explaining the opportunity. Now, they will just see you write a very detailed, right? Very, very detailed description of the product, of the opportunity, right? You're talking about, don't talk about how much it costs for them to register or why they should register. Just talk about the opportunity, then lead them to your landing page, right? Lead them to your landing page. So what is a landing page? A landing page is basically a web page of something like this, right? So this is the landing page of that Facebook ad course I'm telling you about. But then I'm just going to use this as an example for you. So a landing page is something like this. When people visit this landing page, they get to see you write about the opportunity, right? They get to see you write about the opportunity. And on that landing page, all you are trying to do is to give them access to go to go to your WhatsApp, or an access to that, to contact you directly, right? And that way you would now register them for the opportunity. So let's go ahead and let me show you how these ads are set up, right? So let's get started. All right. So this is it. Comment. So to run this kind of ads, so if you were doing the one to WhatsApp directly, all you just have to do is create a Facebook page, right? So either on your phone or your laptop, you can do this. All you have to do is create a Facebook page, then create a post on your page. So there are two ways you can do this. So you can either create a post and just directly, so the best way, let me just show you the best way, so because we don't have so much time. All right, so create a post on your page and then create a few posts so the page does not look so blank. Then you would go to all right. So you go to the ads manager account like this. So this is your ads manager account. You click on create. It's loading. Then you click on sales. Sales. Then continue. Right. So you're going to have this kind of interface. Then you name the ad. So I can say affiliate ad. Then I click on next. Now, what is different here? You choose the WhatsApp messaging app. So if you were sending them to a landing page, you choose website. If you were sending them to your WhatsApp, you choose the WhatsApp messaging ad. Both ads would work very well. But if you were sending them to a website, you need, if you're sending them to a landing page, you need a landing page. So you can get a landing page using system.io. I will do a video about that. In short, in my course, there's a video about that, right? I'll do a video about that. So you send them to, you can use system.io. You can use, there's a how to create landing page. I already did a video on this, how to create landing page on WordPress, right? So you can use WordPress, buy a cheap domain from WordPress, then create your landing page on WordPress, right? So you build your landing page where you're talking about your offer, you're putting out a whole lot of different goodies, trying to bring them to still communicate with you. Now, the only difference is that the ad you do directly to your landing page has a Facebook pixel, but the one you are doing to your WhatsApp does not have a Facebook pixel, right? So if you're going to do it to WhatsApp, you're just going to click on WhatsApp, and then you put in a budget. So you put in a budget. So you're coming to WhatsApp. You choose messaging apps, right? You choose messaging apps. Then you can use any of this, but I'm going to use WhatsApp, right? You put in a budget. So you scroll down. How much do you want to spend per day? On default, it's 995 Naira, but I can spend like 2,000 Naira per day, for example. Right? Then I'm going to determine the number of days it's going to run, right? I'm going to determine the number of days it's going to run. So there are two types of budgets. There's you either go for a daily budget or you go for a lifetime budget, right? You can use a daily budget or a lifetime budget. So I like using daily budget. So I'm just going to do 2,000 Naira per day because my opportunity, I'm very sure of my opportunity. Then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to do, so you can target the whole Nigeria. You can target specific locations. That's left to you. Now, under detailed targeting, if you are using this form of ad, Facebook likes to allow the targeting to be broad, right? And it works. It works also. It works very well. Right. So then, under placement, you leave it at placement. Then you click on next. Now, under this part now, you are going to choose the page you want to use to run the ad. Then down here, you're going to put in the picture you want to use, the picture or image. There should be a graphics you have already designed for this purpose. You use it here, and that's all, right? So you can leave the headline at chat us, and you can leave this at the call to action at send WhatsApp message, and then you publish. You publish, right? And if you publish, after some time, you are going to check for if the ad is running. Okay, so that's simply how to run ads as an affiliate marketer, right? So if you are trying to use this method, if you have tried it and you are trying to scale up the result you want to do, you have to get my course, right? In that course, I explain everything about how you can start making massive sales with Facebook ads, right? So you're an affiliate marketer, you sell products online, you sell ebooks, you sell digital products, any form of product you sell using Facebook ads. This course is definitely what you need. All right, guys. So if you want to get the course, there is a link in the description of this video that would show you exactly how you can buy this course on Seller. All right. Have a lovely day, and it has been so amazing hanging out with you here. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. All right. Take it easy, guys.